Hi guys, welcome to GUI Testing tutorials. In the last class, what we have seen? We have seen about exhaustive testing, end-to-end testing, ad hoc testing and types of ad hoc testing, right? Like pair testing, buddy testing. We have seen about types of ad hoc testing also. So, with all these types, all these 11 types is completed, right? We have completed total functional system testing types is completed, right? So, let's see today's topic about non-functional system testing types. Okay, today's topic about non-functional system testing types. Already we have completed functional system testing types are completed 11 types like smoke testing, positive negative testing, regression testing, retesting, ad hoc testing, exhaustive testing, system testing. Yes, we have completed all these types end-to-end testing, data validation testing, data volume testing, data integrated testing. All these 11 types is completed in functional system testing. Now from today we will go with non-functional system testing. Okay, so what is non-functional system testing? Actually validating or testing the client expectations, that comes under non-functional system testing. Okay, validating or testing the client expectations, that comes under non-functional system testing. So what is client expectations? What are client expectation? Example, background, speed, alignment, etc. This all comes under client expectations, right? So what is functional system testing? Validating or testing the client requirement. What are the client requirement? We have to test in functional system testing types. Coming to non-functional system testing, testing the client expectations. So expectations means background, speed, color, alignment, how it is working, how with the speed it's working when we are using the software, that application, what is the background, alignment. So we have to test this background, speed, alignment, color, all this we have to test in non-functional system testing. Okay, so let's see types of non-functional system testing. First, graphical user interface, that is GUI testing. GUI means graphical user interface. Next, usability testing. Third, compatibility testing. Again compatibility will be divided into software compatibility, hardware compatibility. Okay, next, fourth type of non-functional system testing is inter-system testing. Fifth type is security testing. Again security testing will be divided into types. Types of security testing is authentication testing, direct URL testing, user permission testing, encryption testing. So these are the four types of security testing. Okay. Next, sixth type is installation testing. Seventh testing is recovery testing. Eighth type is standard testing. Ninth type is performance testing. Again performance testing has, we have types in performance testing. First is load testing, stress testing, spike testing, endurance testing. So these are the 9 types of non-functional system testing types. Okay, coming to functional system testing types, 11 types is there. Coming to non-functional system testing types, there are 9 types is there. Okay, so let's see one by one each one clearly. Okay, one by one I will explain clearly about graphical user interface, usability, compatibility, inter-system, security, installation, recovery. All these types I will explain clearly one by one. Okay, so let's see, first type is graphical user interface. GUI testing, that is GUI testing. So what is mean by GUI? G means graphical, U means in user, I means interface. Okay, totally graphical user interface, GUI testing. Okay, so let's see what is GUI testing. Graphical user interface, also called as user interface, UI testing. Okay, graphical user interface also called as user interface, UI testing. Okay, we can call it as UI testing also. We can call it as GUI testing or UI testing. Don't confuse about this GUI and UI. In some of the interviews it will be asked what is UI interface testing. UI testing. In the some of the interface, some of the interviewer will ask what is GUI testing. Okay, both are same only. GUI and UI are same. G means graphical, that's it. UI means user interface, same. UI means user interface, extra G is added to graphical, okay, graphical user interface or UI testing, user interface testing, okay. So we can call it as graphical user interface also, and we can call it as user interface also, okay. Next, testing any application. What is mean by graphical? Let's see now. Testing any application in front end design, okay. Testing any application, any type of software application we are testing. So any type of software application in front end design only, that comes under graphical user interface or user interface testing. So what is mean by front end design? That is color, spellings, grammar, background, alignments, frames, okay. These all comes under GUI testing or UI testing, okay. So what is the color? So what is meant by color? So see here, suppose the software application, Kalyan Money software application is there here. So in Kalyan Money software application, we have seen the colors right here. Here the register red color is there, okay. The register red color is there. Here login button, the red color is there. Coming to logo also red color is there, right. Red color and yellow color is there in between. See here left side corner up. See here Kalyan Matrimony logo, red color is there, yellow lines are there, okay. So these are called colors. See here one of the color is there, light red, okay. This background color is, see here, some gray type is there, right. See here the yellow color is there. So this comes under color, okay. This comes under color. Next, coming to spellings, okay. See here color is completed. Next, spellings means, see here the logo is there, right. Kalyan, let's take this. See here, we simplify your search for the perfect match. We simplify your search for the perfect match. So whenever we developers develop the software application, they will write the correct spellings, okay. We have to write the correct spellings and we have to test that spellings is correct or not. For example, simplify is there. Simplify spelling is correct or not? Simplify, that is correct, okay. So we have to test every word and every sentences in the software application. See here the matter is there, find lakhs of Indian brides and grooms in Kalyan Matrimony. So here the paragraph is there, our name backed with by trust mega brand Kalyan Jewelries career, it's been defined. So here the matter is there. So we have to test this matter, the spellings is correct or not, okay. This comes under spellings, okay. Next, grammar means perfect English is written or not. See here our name backed by the trusters mega brand Kalyan Jewelries, carriers with our defining history and rich legacy of success and good fortune, comes over to make an auspicious and blessed new beginning into your life partner. Search with kalyanmatrimony.com. So it is perfect, right. The grammar is perfect. Grammar means this, it is a grammar. You will find it's a grammar. Lax means it's a word, right. So of is a grammar word, from across is a grammar word, the and with is a grammar word. So perfectly it is sentencing the it's sentence the words is forming a sentence or not, perfectly sentence. We have to test this grammar part also, okay. That comes under GUI testing or UI testing, okay. Next, background. Let's discuss with background. So what is the background? So see here in the background there is one picture, right. See here there is a one picture, here is a one picture, background, this is the background, right. In front we are seeing that register and sign in. So this is the background, right. So this is the background we have to check. is perfectly matching or not, background is there or not. So as per the requirement, background is there or not. So we will test this backgrounds also. Next, alignment. So what is alignments? Alignments means, see here, on the top right side of the corner, there is a login button, right? Here there is a login button. See here, on the top right side of the corner, there is a login button. So login button is perfectly aligned in this place or not. On the right side it is aligned, or perfectly it is in some in the left side alignment is comes under this part, this why Kalyan matrimony from the trusted bands Kalyan jewelries profile details are secure and confidential is there, right? So this is the alignment. So the register button, the register steps is aligned here, right side. So see here, the Kalyan matrimony logo is aligned on the left side of the corner, top left side of the corner. Kalyan matrimony logo is aligned. So this is called alignment. Wherever we are placing that, that is called alignment. Okay, Kalyan matrimony logo is placing at near top of the left side of the corner. Login button is placing at right side of the top. Okay, see here, get it download from the Google Play, get it download from the App Store is aligned at the top right side corner. Help button is aligned top right side corner. So this is called alignment. Wherever we are placing this, that is called alignment. And the see here, downside also logo is aligned, placed in the left downside. So this is called alignment. Wherever we are placing that frame, pictures, words, logos, login module, sign in module, wherever we are aligning, wherever we are placing, so that is called alignment. Okay. Next, frames. So what is frames? What is meant by frames? See here. So this is one of the frame. Okay. Background one photo is there, right? Photos, pictures comes under frames. Okay, background one picture is there, right? This is frame, this is the another frame, this is the another frame. See, there is an house, there is an environment, trees, there is an ocean is there, right? So this is one of the frame, this is one of the frame, this is one of the frame, this is one of the frame. Okay, see here, there is a hands, right? This is one of the frame. Okay, what are the pictures we are adding in software application, that comes under frames. Okay, so take this SSC, staff selection commission application. See here, the building is there, right? SSC building, this is one of the frame, this is one of the frame. Here the big Supreme Court is there, this is one of the frame. Modi ji is there here, this is one of the frame, this is one of the frame, this is one of the frame, these are all called frames. Okay, so see here, Gandhi ji is there, this is one of the frame. Here the 75 years, this is one of the frame. The national career services, this is one of the frame, right? So these are called frames. Okay, whatever the pictures we are adding in the software application, those are called frames. These all are called frames. Okay, so testing any application in front-end designs, that is color, spellings, grammar, background, alignment, frames. These are called, comes under GUI testing, means graphical user interface, or UI testing, user interface testing. Okay, in graphical user interface, what we have to test? We have to test the color, spellings, grammar, background, alignment, frames. Okay, next. Next, second type of testing is non-functional. Second type of non-functional system testing is usability testing. So let's see now what is usability testing. Okay, so testing whether the application is user friendly or not. Okay, testing the application is user friendly or not, that is called usability testing. So what is meant by user friendly? What is meant by user friendly? Means it is it is easy to use or easy to understand. Okay, easy to use the software application, easy to understand the software application, that comes under user friendly. Okay, testing whether the application is user friendly or not, that is called usability testing. We have to test what we have to test in the usability testing, whether the whether the application is user friendly or not. What is mean by user friendly? Means it is easy to use or not, software application is easy to use or not, easy to understand or not, the steps is very easy or not, within less time we can complete that registration or not, we will check in the usability testing. Okay, so for example, if the application looks fine or easy to understand, then it is a user friendly. Okay, if the application is looks fine, easy to use, easy to understand, then it is user friendly. That's it. Okay, next, special training should not be required in order to use the application. Okay, there is no special training is required in order to use that application. That comes under usability testing, that comes under user friendly applications. Okay, what are user friendly applications means, example, see, take this Kalyan matrimony application only. Okay, take this Kalyan matrimony application. So first what we have to do, we have to register in that na. So we have to register, first we have to register when we enter into the home page. Okay, when we have to enter into the home page, first step is we have to register. Okay, so we have to register is enter your name, select gender, profile created, select a mother tongue, select a religion, select a caste, select a phone number, enter your mail, enter your password, check terms and conditions, submit and continue. Only we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, only we have 9 steps, means 9 fields we have to enter. We have to enter when we have to register. Okay, only 9 steps is there to register this software application. Okay, this is understanding now. What is enter your name is, I have to enter my name. Select gender means I have to select my gender, whether it is female or male. Create profile created for myself or relative, friend, brother. It is understanding. It is understand, for relative purpose I am creating, for friend purpose, whether is friend purpose I am creating, brother purpose is creating, son purpose is creating. Okay, it is understanding, right? Select a mother tongue, Telugu, Tamil, Malayalam, Hindi, Marathi, Gujarati. So many mother tongue is there. Select a religion, select a caste, select enter phone number. It is understanding, right? Enter your mail means we have to enter the mail ID. Enter your password means create. We have to create one password. So it is easy to understand, right? It is easy to understand and it easy to use, right? There is only 9 steps to register into the Kalyan matrimony application. So this application is user friendly. How we can say it is user friendly? How we can say it is user friendly? Because it is easy to understand and easy to use. There is only simple steps, 9 steps we have to register. Okay, only 9 steps is there to register into Kalyan matrimony application. There is not much time is required for this application, right? There is no need of much time is required for this application to register. Okay, it is user friendly application. So see here another application. This is an staff selection commission. Okay, this is an SSC application, staff selection commission application. So see here. So we have to register first here. See here, we have to register. So these are so many steps are there for registration to this staff selection commission software application. Yes, right? So many steps. See, personal details we have to enter, password creation, additional details, declaration. There are 4 steps to register this software application. Let's see what are they. See personal details. We have to enter. Do you have an Aadhaar card? Yes. Yes means we have to enter the Aadhaar card. Yes, right? We have to enter the Aadhaar card. Verify Aadhaar card. One more time we have to enter. type of identification type. See here, type of identification type we have to enter. Candidate name we have to enter. Verify candidate name. One more time we have to enter. Have you ever changed your name? Yes, we have to enter the name change. We have to enter the gender and we have to confirm the gender again one more time. Date of birth, confirming date of birth, father name, again father name, mother name, confirm mother name, matric 10th details we have to enter. 10th education board we have to enter, roll number we have to enter, verify roll number, year of passing we have to enter. Again we have to enter year of passing. So these many steps are there. Only for the first personal details, these many steps are there to register. And again after personal details we have to enter into the next step, that is called password creation. See here, left side corner it is there. We first time we are in the personal details. Second, after personal details we have to enter into the password creation. Again additional details we have to enter. Again declaration we have to enter. So many steps are there to register the software application. It is called not user friendly. Okay, it's taking more time to register. But coming to Kalyan matrimony application, so there is only 9 steps to register, right? So I definitely agree with this application is different. SSC, this application is different and this application is different. But end users will see that whenever the work is happening very quickly, okay, in the short period of time, when they will see that, okay. So this matrimony application is very user friendly application because there is less time to register. Coming to this staff selection commission, there is a huge time we require to register, right? So this Kalyan matrimony application is user friendly. Okay, next, see, the effort spent on using the application should be less. So see here, in Kalyan matrimony application, the efforts is less, right? Only 9 steps is there to register the Kalyan matrimony application. But coming to SSC application, we have 4 steps. In that 4 steps also, these many details we have to fill. With these many details we have to enter, right? They means we are efforting lot of much time. Okay, the efforts is much in SSC application, but in Kalyan matrimony application the efforts is less. Next, the number of click actions performed on the application should be less. So the number of click actions means whenever we are clicking, see here, the to register only we have to click 9 steps, right? We have to click on the enter your name, we have to click on the select your gender, we have to click on the profile creator, we have to click on the religion, we have to click on the caste, we have to click on the phone number, we have to click on the enter mail, we have to click on the password. That's it. Total 9 clicks is there to register. But coming to this application, there is so many clicks we have to click. We have to click on the, do you have enter the do you have the pass, enter your card, verify your other card, type of the identification, candidate name we have to click, we have to click ever your change name, we have to verify the name, we have to select the gender, click date of birth, click on the date of birth, click on the verify. Clicking is more, right? Here to register there is so many clicks we have to do, right? This is only this point. The number of clicks action performed on the application should be less, because if the registration process is more, it's taking more time, means no one will interest on the software that application. If the registration time is less, not only registration, when we are using less time in that application, prefer more numbers will prefer that applications only. Okay, so we have to test that in usability testing. The number of clicks performed on the application should be less, the effort spent on using the application should be less, training should special training should not be required in order to use this application. Okay, these all are we have to test in the usability testing. Okay, what is usability testing? Mainly testing whether the application is user friendly or not. That is called usability testing. That's it. Okay, so let's see now who should do usability testing. So who will do usability testing? Let's see now. Customer or client, because Why customer or client? Because already test engineers already tested the functional testing, integration testing, system testing, right? Already test engineers testing is completed based on the functional testing, integration testing, system testing, smoke testing, etc. testing is completed. All types of black box testing is completed by test engineers, right? So what happens, so that it become very user friendly to the test engineer, right? So suppose we are the test engineers. Already we have tested this register module so many times. Okay, already we have tested register this module so many times. So it is user friendly or not to me? Yes, right. It is user friendly because I have already tested 2-3 times, because I have already used this application 2-3 times. It's become user friendly to me. But client will not use it, right? Client will not use this application, right? Before one time also client will not use. So when we do test with the client or with the usability testing is the perfect, because client will say whether it is user friendly or not, because client did not tested even one time also, but test engineer tested 2-3 times. For the test engineers it's become user friendly, but client it's did not tested one time also. Okay, for that purpose client will check whether it is user friendly or not. Next, other project team members. Yes, other project team members also we have to test whether it they will tell that whether it is user friendly or not. Okay, next, if there is nobody is there, nobody is, test engineer has to user friendly testing, usability testing. Okay, if there nobody is there, only test engineer has do the usability testing. When client is not enough time to do usability testing with other, when other team members is not enough time to usability testing, so only test engineers will do usability testing also. See here, one note is there. See here, it is always a good approach if the end users use the usability testing. Yes, right. It is always a good approach if the end users means who are using that software application. Those are called end users. So end users test the usability testing. So end users will tell that it is very friendly or not, user friendly or not, this application is very user friendly or not, means it is easy to use or not, it is easy to understanding or not, where the the end users will say, will tell this whether this user friendly or not, they will tell. Okay, so because by the time we perform usability testing, test the test engineer might have performed all type of black box testing. So I have just now explained this about, note this. So it is become user friendly to the test engineers. Just now I have explained this. All type black box testing means the test engineers will perform all like functional integration, smoke, all types of testing is done 2-3 times. So software application, for the test engineer, software application become user friendly. Of course, when we are using 2-3 times in the same application, it's become user friendly, right? So that is only this point explaining. Okay. So next, when to do usability testing. So when to do usability testing? See here, when the customer is very particularly about the user friendliness of an application. Okay, when the customer means client, when the client is saying that particularly about friendly is important for this software application, you need to test the usability testing also, you need to test with usability testing also. The client will particularly say that user friendliness of an application will perform usability testing from the initial only. Whenever the client requirement is there, you have to test the usability testing also. Means usability testing means whether the application is user friendly or not, easy to understand and easy to use or not. We have to start the usability testing from the initial build itself. Initial build itself means from the initial, from the starting stage only we have to test whether it is easy to use, whether it is easy to understand or not. Okay, when the client requirement is there, see here, when the customer is very particularly about, when customer will say that the software application will be in user friendly, that's a requirement. So we have to test the usability testing from initial stage only. Next, if the customer is not particular about the user friendliness, so if any one of the customer is not particular about user friendliness, means not particularly mentioned about usability testing, so after performing all type of black box testing, we will do usability testing at the end of the project. Okay, if the customer is not mentioned in the requirement that usability testing is not an important, it's mentioned that, so we will test that after all types of black box testing. At the end of the project, we will test usability testing. But when the customer is saying that usability testing is particularly important, means at that time we will test the usability testing from the initial stage itself. But customer is not saying the usability testing, we will start the usability testing at end of the project. Okay, so this is when to do usability testing. Next, what application on we perform usability testing? So let's see here on what application we perform usability testing mainly. See here, on multiple users access application. Okay, whenever the take some example, Instagram application, Facebook application is there. Okay, Instagram application, Facebook application is there. So who will use the Instagram application? Everyone will use the Instagram application. Entire world is using the Instagram application, right? Entire world is using the Instagram application. So multiple users are there in that Instagram application, Facebook application, take Facebook, take WhatsApp application, multiple user, entire world will use that application. So the number of multiple users are increasing, right? In that application, the number of users are increasing that application, right? So that type of application we will perform usability testing. Because so number of persons are increasing, right? Number of persons are using that application. So we will test usability testing, whether it is user friendly or not, whether it is easy to understand or not, whether it is easy to use or not, we have to test in the usability testing. Okay, next, on more revenue generation applications. Okay, on more revenue generation applications also we will use usability testing. More revenue generation applications means like phone pay, Google Pay, Paytm, this all them. So that comes under banking applications also. More entire world will use, right? Entire world will use this application. Phone pay, Google Pay, Paytm, entire world will use this application. So in that application we will perform usability testing, whether it is user friendly or not, whether it is easy to understand or not, whether it is easy to use or not, we will test. Okay, next, the application which will be expected to be very simple. Yes, already explained, the application will be expected to be very simple. It's very simple means it is easy to use or not, it is easy to understand or not, it is looks fine or not, we have to test in the usability testing. Okay, so this is about usability testing and graphical user interface or user interface testing. So we have seen in this class about two types, right? Graphical user interface completed, usability testing also completed. Okay, okay guys, this is the class about manual testing day 7 theory session. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe to YouTube channel and share to your friends. Thank you.